My shopping's just arrived, so I'll take my surgical gloves off and wash my hands and everything, and then I get busy. It's breakfast time, so it's time to drink some alcohol. Making me mind up. This is some stuff called halloumi. I've never heard of it before. It's foreign again, like polenta. Hopefully it's equally delicious. Right. Gonna wash up me taties. Not eating with me mateys. Gonna stick them in me oven. Me know me cooking can be sloven. I like to eat almonds and I like to eat apricots. And these are really nutritious on rambles. Give him a stab. To chop off all the bad bits. Got to chop off all the bad bits. Cutting off the bad bit. Rinsing off the bad. Yummy. Slowly. Thought I'd try some of this. Do you remember it? Made from girders. It's alright that actually. Let's put some vodka in it. Potatoes will be done in 20 minutes. They're looking good, all hot in there. So I just need to stick some halloumi in there now. And then stick that in the oven with potatoes. Hey, Snow. Come in. What are you doing? But what's going on here? Why is there X's on the windows like that? Is that COVID-19 outside? Or has someone marked my windows like I'm a plague? Bit of basil in the house. What's the time? It's about that time. What time is it? That's a big one. Time to check on that halloumi. Get my oven glove. Is that looking? Sweating a bit, browning a bit. You see? It's good. That's some butter there. Fill her up. That's it, I'm done. Laters. Can you see me? No,